Hey everyone, it's Asher Abraham. If you have not received a personal invitation to this LinkedIn crash course I'm running, this is it. This is a course about how to use LinkedIn to grow your business, advance your career, find new opportunities. It's based on my experience over the last 6 years or so of using LinkedIn and things that I've learned from other people, things that I do myself, some of the technology and features that you may not know that exist, and just really how to leverage this amazing technology, this amazing professional social network. The key word here is professional because that's where things are happening in a professional context, and it's really important for your professional career to get involved in it. It's no matter what industry you're in. There's groups. There's over 1.4 million groups, and many of them are relevant for your industry, for education, for finding clients, for finding partners. It's a tremendously huge company. Last year they did over close to $1 billion last year, and they have 2 people joining every single second somewhere in the world. So I had the opportunity to visit their offices. It's really impressive what LinkedIn's up to, and they're just getting started. You really don't want to wait around and be that last person in your industry to be active on LinkedIn. And I could give you an example. Last week, I got a lead from our website. I called them up. I say, hey, what can I do to help? And this is a great lead, qualified with a budget not too small. And the girl said, we're looking to expand globally. And I said, excellent. How'd you hear about us? She said, this guy posted a blog post on my LinkedIn group, the medical device group. And I said, what's his name by any chance? And she said, Asher Abraham. And I said, well, it's nice to meet you. And keep in mind, I did this all in one day. I posted the blog post, got a lead, and got a call, or made the call. And so things happen quickly. Things happen fast, and you need to take advantage of this amazing platform. So I have some simple strategies I want to share, some ideas. We're going to have a Q&A session. It's also going to be a fun event just with some beer and networking of opportunities, great people coming. A lot of my friends are going to be there, and just make sure that you come with an open mind. Leave everything you think you know about LinkedIn at the door, because you need to have a fresh and open mind to learn some new things. I'll see you there. All the details are below and above. And actually, we're going to have a treat, because we're going to hear from the founder of Fresh Biz, Simcha Gluck, one of my best friends for about 12 years now, doing some amazing things, breakthrough thinking about business, tremendously influenced the way I work and do business, and just view life. So if you want to win the game of business and life, come hear from Simcha as well. Personally, amazing guy, always looking to help people. So if you don't know him, you definitely want to meet him. And I look forward to seeing you there. It's at the Jerusalem Startup Hub. All the details are in the link below. Make sure you RSVP as soon as possible, because it's limited seats. It's not a huge space. And if you can't make it, just think of someone who can benefit from using LinkedIn, and send them this video and share with them this opportunity, because it's only going to help them advance their career, and you can be that person, helping them. So only 50 shekel covers the whole thing, and I look forward to meeting you and seeing how we can impact your career at some level. Talk to you soon. Have a great day in the meantime.